What's up, plan? Day number 1. What's up, bro? Today is December. Today is October 10th. Is that right? Or 11?
No, 10 tayo.
Today is October 10. How many hours of sleep? 0. How many miles have we traveled? 0. How many stopovers have we done? 10. What's up, vlog? Today is December na naman. Today is October 10th. Long trip to Quebec. Day number 1. Hours of sleep? 0. Hours of sleep?
I got 4.
4. Who has the best time? 0. Anyways, Miss Matcha Girl isn't in this car right now. She in a different car. Insert picture to my right. Ding! So for the remainder of this trip, Miss Kimmy Girl is gonna be this bag right there. So this entire trip, if you see this bag, just commemorate that this is Kimmy Girl to my right. I can see people to my right, to the window, to the walls, to the sunshine and the halls. You can't see anything, bro. Wait, those people are ghosties. They're ghosties. That's what happens when you don't sleep for 24 hours. But anyways, we'll see you at Quebec.
More stopovers.
Yeah, oh, stopovers. Goodbye. This is gonna be you for the remainder of this trip.
You need to be there, girl. One of you.
Another epic fail by Zara B. Castillo. As I was saying, I will show this. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh wow. Nature. Look how beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Like I was saying, we still have 6 hours in. Nakakadalawang oras pa lang tayo, and majority of our time was wasted at that stopover. Kasi it took like 20 minutes for our order to come, and I witnessed a bunch of Tim Hortons workers fighting each other about schedule and whatnot. And it's been a great start to the day, and I'm still very delusional. Very delulu recording, no? Na delulu vlogging. Oh, ganun dapat. Yung title lang natin, ng vlog natin, delulu vlogging. Oh, it's okay. Wala namang manonood eh. As I was saying, I'm very delusional. As you can see, I'm very detail-oriented. But yeah. See you at the next stop na lang. Bye. Important keep up. So, update. Our car tire blew. So, we're stranded in the middle of nowhere. But we're trying to change the tires. We'll see how it goes, I guess. But for now, let's enjoy nature. Look how pretty. Pretty.
Another day, another life, another vlog. Welcome to Montreal with the gong stir. Okay, may new recruit kami.
Madam Leonila.
Ayan. Siya yung pinakamayaman dito sa sa Toronto. Papabiling ka kami dito kaya dadali namin sa saan ba to? Maxi and C. Maxi and C. Ayan. Hindi, dyan. Papasok ka. Ano masasabi mo sa vlog na trip na to?
Hi,
Challenging.
Challenging. Mag-French.
Alam ba, nagtagal kami sa loob.
Bakit?
Hindi namin maintindihan yung machine. French.
Turo kita mag-French.
Gumamit pa kami ng translator.
Fresh of banana is banana.
Banene. Okay. May natutunan kami sa pagpasok namin, ha? Ang tagal namin doon.
Yung kulay blue, yun yung finish. Yun yung pay.
Hindi nga namin mahanap kasi titimbangin yung banana. Hindi namin ma-search yung item.
Oo nga, kasi ano sila dito eh.
French.
Hindi mo sinama si Charlie.
Oo nga, dapat kailangan natin yung mga bagets pala pag dito.
Dapat eh.
Ah, sila. The Mario Brothers. Ano masasabi niyo sa trip na to?
I love you, Morissette.
Wow! I'm broke but I'm happy. Yan, so pupuntahan natin yung pamilya natin na kumakain sa tabi-tabi. Pero nag-struggle kami doon. Dapat pala. Cyril, dapat kasama ka namin everyday.
What's the French word for banana?
Oo. What's the French of banana?
Wala, ang naging ano ko lang yun nga.
It's banene.
Ba't sinabi mo? Pwede natin alam.
Hindi nga alam.
You know? What?
Nakatutok yung telepono ko dun sa
Banene?
para maintindihan namin eh.
Yeah, you know how to read a princess?
Princess.
Banene.
Nakwento ko sa inyo.
Hello everyone! Mic check, mic check. Another day, another life,
Another matcha.
another cafe. Okay, maghanap kami ng croissant. Walang kokontra. Okay?
Tsaka coffee na masarap.
Oh, okay, walang kokontra. Let's go guys! Okay. So, paano tayo uusad? Outfit check.
Fit check. Shoes from sports check. Jacket from sports check. Vest from sports check. Jacket from sports check. Hindi ko alam gaano sa gaano.
Okay, mga turista po. Yung pinsan ko naman, oh. Nilalamig lahat. Nakachinelas pa din. Ano ba naman yan? Yan ang Canadian. Yan ang totoo. Yan, one.
Cabbage ba?
Ay, ang ganda.
Cabbage ba yan?
Maganda to, oh. Maganda itong damo na to. Pwede mo? Oo, kumain tayo. So, bakit nila sinabing Titanic to? Sorry.
First Jack and Rose. First Jack and Rose.
Ay, sino ka dyan? O, Katniel.
Okay na second Jack and Rose.
Okay na, si Shane. Okay, sandali, si Shane. Tingin ka doon.
Ano pong masasabi nyo?
Ano ba?
I love it.
I love it. Sorte aret.
Na-enjoy nyo po ba?
Of course.
Yeah.
One question, one answer. Ayan. And I'll see you happy. Are you happy?
Yes.
Where are we? Where are we? Where are we?
Bad.
Dapat ganito yun eh.
Ano? Oh, parang kanta.
Ano yung nakalagay daw? How much your bags? What's your bank saving?
$1. I love it.
Ito. Si tita mo na namin matanong si tita mo. Okay. Wait lang po.
What?
Ano sa mga
Ano sasabihin ko?
Tita, may isa lang po akong tanong.
Ano? What's the question?
Ano ito yung question? Nakalimutan ko na bigla.
How much your...
How much your dollar in your bag?
Dollar? I think maybe $30.
Ano ba yan? Hindi tayo magbabiral. Wala kayong pera. Outfitera. Outfit check? Outfit check?
Huh?
Outfit check. Saan yung damit mo?
From where?
Ano ba kung sabihin mo? Bonnet from... Ganon?
Bronit from Bridge Zone.
Okay. Coat from...
Coat from Shane.
Boots from...
Groups from Timo.
How much your savings?
$106.
Wow, alam niyo si Cyril yung pinakamayaman sa atin. Meron siyang $106 savings. Wow.
Okay, welcome back to Zai Time! Muli na naman ako naghahawak ng mic. What's up guys? We're finally in Quebec. After 24 hours. Actually guys, nung kami mag-stay dyan sa may barko na yan, oh, nakikita mo yan? Queen Mary. Yeah, dyan kami matutulog guys. In my dreams. Pero, ang ganda dito guys. Even the skies are so pretty. The skylines and everything is amazing. I love the historic buildings here. It's very aesthetic and it's very relaxing, I will say. It's great to just, embrace the history in this city. It's amazing. Ano yung family namin? Nauna na sila. Iwan na lang kami. Great.
Look, sobrang ganda.
Sobrang ganda, guys.
Alam mo kami nasa Italia.
Italia yarn!
French pala.
French pala. France pala.
France ako dito.
Now it's time That was a very stressful drive over here, but we're finally here and finally just relax.
And supposedly we're here na sana ng around 4
12
actually 12 around 12 to 1 p.m. So ang
And-
dami naming na-miss na mga tourist spot, pero hopefully bukas mapuntahan natin yan. Yung nilulook forward namin isa yung falls sana na siya.
Oh, the falls one. Oh my God.
Siraan kami eh.
Sira, naputukan kami ng gulong kanina,
Enjoy pa rin natin
unfortunately.
to.
Pero it's okay. Look at this. Look at the scenery right here. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful.
Wow.
It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oy, cafe yata to, girl. Cafe yan.
Kailangan natin nakalapang tayo.
Girl, hawakan mo. Yung aking, ang aking bag. Okay, anyways. I mean, everyone started to decorate for the fall, as you can see. Panay pumpkins everywhere na. Everything's fall na. I mean, fall na ba talaga dapat? For some reason, napaka-init for a couple days. Pero look at that. So pretty.
So may nakikita ako, ang kanyang cafe ng baba. Okay, we'll see this, maganda. Ayan. Tayo natin to. Okay, direction. Oh,
Dito ate. Dito.
we're going.
Oh, dito ba? Sakto na tayo. Perfect. Naka-connect pa rin ba yung ano? Wait. Hindi, iba to eh. Naka-connect pa rin ba to? Yeah, naka-connect pa rin. Taas ba? Ay, ang ganda rito talaga. Hindi ako makaget over. Hindi ko naman masyadong ma-enjoy yung scenery kasi kailangan namin magmadali.
Cafe. So sisigil Victoria na.
Shoutout sa aking boyfriend, si Daniel. Sayang di ka nagpunta.
Ang ganda dito.
Napakaganda rito. You would have loved it here so badly.
Dapat pupunta dito may jowa.
True.
So mauuna kaming tumikim kasi medyo basyo yung mga pamilya namin. So kailangan matikmo muna namin masarap. Ito ba yan? Hindi eh.
I think so, yeah.
Medyo... See?
Ito kaya, yung tinititigan ko kanina eh. Ito yung hinahanap nila eh. Ito yung hinahanap nila. Eh, yun yung ano eh. Yan yung, like, yung Palace Royal. Yan yun. This is Palace Royal.
Pero hinanap nila yung red.
Yung red door thingy. Oh, I'm so excited to try
Open the
this.
door. Open.
Alright. Ayun, croissant.
Chocolate. How you pronounce this? Chocolatin. Chocolate. How you pronounce it? Oh my god, we're not French. Okay, so I'm gonna get the chocolate. How about you?
I don't know yet.
Let's get the white chocolate.
Let's try something nice.
We're just gonna try. Oh, there's a matcha.
May matcha?
There's a matcha.
May matcha. Okay, we're trying the matcha here.
Try the matcha here.
Pistachio hot chocolate.
I'm getting a chocolate.
You know, yeah. I want blueberry matcha.
Okay, then make it two. Medium or large? Medium?
Yeah, me too.
Fine, it's good. Okay, one bite. Try.
What's the verdict? Tagalogin mo.
Wait. It's okay, but kami yan medyo matigas.
Like, sa buong araw lang kasi.
We'll see. Bigyan natin bigyan natin chance.
Uy.
Or maybe dapat winarm ko. I want it.
Ha?
Dapat winarm ko, I guess.
Ha?
Winarm ko dapat.
Maybe.
Try.
Sabi mo, kaya ako suotin jacket na to.
Guys, baka mapagkamalan kami mag-jowa din. Pamangking ko po do.
May mga pang ano sila.
Diba hindi siya super promising? Okay lang.
Yeah, okay naman siya.
Wala pa rin tatalo sa Ivana.
Yeah, Ivana ang the best.
In Markham.
Meron din silang savory options here. We have a bunch of salads and wraps and sandwiches here. That's nice.
It's new. Bago to. Blueberry matcha. Thank you.
Ito, girl.
Oh my gosh. Looks. Okay, let's go. Oh.
Baka may mic. Ay, may labi kang hawak.
Ang dami nangyayari. Hirap pala maging vlogger. Okay, we're going back. Thank you.
Alright.
Kailangan mo siyang what you call this? Kaya mo? Okay, we're lost ngayon, so hanapin natin yung pamilya natin kasi for sure GG na sila sa atin. Hindi naman GG, pero in fairness, masarap yung matcha nila ha. First time ko to is blueberry matcha. Blueberry matcha latte. So, masarap siya. Okay. Try it. Try it.
Ay, saan nagpunta? Nasa baba sila kanina.
So, we can go here for you guys. For you.
Ah, ang ganda talaga dito. Hindi ako maka-get over. Teka, kailangan...
Paano tayo babalik dito, Dan?
Paano tayo
Napakalayo,
babalik?
Dan. Paano? Magbabask tayo. Kailangan.
Kaya nga. Mag-train na lang tayo. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Napaka worth it. Oh, you know what? Oh, buti na lang sumama kami.
Yeah.
Buti na lang sumama kami, guys. Hindi na kaming sumuko eh.
Ang daming tao dito.
Oopsie. Where is it? Okay, diretso pa tayo. And then...
Check me.
Oh, shit, maganda.
Cute dito.
Actually, takali na tayo dito eh.
Oh yeah.
Ito, papicture ko muna to, guys. Napaka-aesthetic.
Bigyan mo na lang ako ng picture. Ha?
Go lang. Sana madaming tao.
Yes, the best.
The best, oh my gosh. I love Quebec na. This is my favorite city na we've been to.
Huh?
Ito yung favorite
So far.
napuntahan so far. Oh my
Ako
goodness. I love it.
Kasi ang ganda ng scenery nila.
Saka ang daming maliliit na shops na pwede mong puntahan. Okay, dito. Ate girl, here. Yeah, oh my gosh. Ang ganda talaga. Shims. KJ kasi yung... Bawal
Alam mo,
KJ.
Daniel?
Alam mo, Daniel?
Dan, gusto lang namin sabihin sa'yo na ang KJ mo.
Ang KJ mo. Hindi ka sumama.
Na-miss mo yung
Wait, look
kalahati
at that.
kalahati ng relationship ni Josiah.
Mas dire-diretso na lang tayo hanggang sa makita natin yung red door. Ay, gusto kong pasukin lahat ng mga shop na to. Kung tayo lang sana eh. Ito na yun. Red door. Asa red door? Ito. Ito mismo. Kaya nga. I know, alright. Mhm. Hello. Ito nga, oh. Hello. Ay, hindi, napasa natin yung red door, girl. Napasa natin. No? Ito na nga yun. Yan, mismo yung pinto na yan.
Hindi ba siya red?
Red yan. Ilaw lang. Red yan. Andun. Akin Jack din, sorry. Para... Wala kang salaw. Ayan. Andun pala sila. What do you mean? Ayaw ano? Naunta pala tayo sa hotel.
They're looking for red door.
Looking for the red door.
Yeah. Ano pa tayo sa ano?
Sarap ng matcha.
Yeah, sarap.
Matcha.
That's good. Matcha lover here.
Matcha addicts.
Matcha everywhere. Another day. Another road trip. Another life.
Ayun
Another
sila,
matcha.
nagpipicture na sila.
Yeah, I know. So yun sila. Piling mo.
Ang Pilipinas.
Galit na galit na naman po siya.
Pang diet niya.
Alin siya? Ito?
Hindi, siya ito. Yan.
Ay, ano to?
It's a bread.
Bread. Sabay tayo?
Ano bread?
Parang, so ano?
So yan na yun?
Parang sang croissant. Ay. Ganda ka ako. Padyang ka lang. Picture ka dyan pa. Picture ka dyan. Magkala kaya to auto? Bakit na auto? Malilaw pa naman. Malilaw naman. Malinaw.
Kaya lang masyadong malayo.
Ah, malayo masyado. Ay, malapit din.
Hindi kami satisfied sa nabili.
Alam mo, hindi.
Tsura. Uy, magtitinda.
Security guard.
Ano ba yan? You belong. You belong, brother.
Sarap ng matcha. Ako pa iniinom.
Bakit lang? Ba't biglang...
Papaya pa mo yata ako mag-edit eh. Ang haba eh. Ayaw ko mas ng matcha pero okay. Hindi mo siya katapang.
So, masaya na kayo sa nakita niyo yung pinto. Oh, so, anong sabi? Anong sabi?
Reproduction of the famous red door from the series Goblin Awaits. Oh wait.
Oh.
Basahin ko ulit. Kaya sila nagpipicture dito. It says over here, a reproduction of the famous red door from the series Goblin awaits you at the end of the street.
Oh, napanood mo ba yun?
Hindi.
Ay, ba't ka nagpa-picture?
Hindi nga ako nagpicture. Ikaw, actually, ikaw nagpipicture.
So, ano to?
Kuha naman ako ng sa Goblin yan. Yung gusto ko kasama yung ano. Ito pa ganun.
Sa Goblin.
Sa Goblin. Kasama to. Nasa gitna ako na to.
Ayan, ayan. Kaso, alis mo yung... Ayan. Ayan na. Uy, gusto ko to.
May pinggit?
Ako din.
Ano?
Yung may po.
Hindi mo maayos yung corner ko.
Ayun! Ate! Okay, bilis, saka doon. Umawara ka doon. Oh, basta umawara ka doon. Oo, doon sa pinagtayuan ko.